The world today is facing a number of major problems of the modern decade. The problem that we have dealt with is a very common one in this assiduous world, and mainly in the second largest, most populous country, our very own India. It's none other than shortage of space. But now we are here. We are making it possible. Yes, you heard it right. You can cultivate in a much confined space. Secondly, depending on the topography of a region, we would be combining two different techniques altogether. Firstly, our very common one, rainwater harvesting in areas where there is excess of rainfall. But what about the areas where there is scarcity of rainfall? No, we are not neglecting them at all. We would be using two of the three golden hours, that is reuse and recycle of water in areas over there.
Our model is a precise portable model made using simple techniques of aeroponics with conventional hydroponics. As mentioned earlier, our project focuses on reuse, recycle and rainwater harvesting. For reuse and recycle, we will install a grey water collecting system. For rainwater harvesting, we will use downspouts or splash blocks or rain source. Our model is compatible to all other adjustments and changes if necessary.
Now, we are going to analyze our feasible market. Ours is an innovative idea where we will utilize the space we have with zero wastage of water, a valuable resource. India's grocery industry is ever growing. ICAR, in collaboration with MEFW, results in almost 66% of the state's GDP. Stats say aeroponics market to generate $3.53 billion globally by 2026. Now, we are gonna have a glimpse of our accrescent target market.
So basically, if we start talking about the Indian market, there is truly no product similar to ours. However, we do have some potential competitors who may give us a healthy competition in future. These are Eco India, Barton Reels and 365 Farms. Our project is rather new, but keeping in mind the insatiable appetite of the Indian grocery industry, we are highly likely to succeed. And as goes by the saying, everyone can tell you the risk, but a real entrepreneur can see the reward. So, we present before you how we wish to see ourselves in the coming years.
Customer satisfaction is our topmost priority. We have conducted a small survey over our product on user friendliness, adaptability, scope of function, ergonomics, and various other possible aspects. Let's have a look at our report.
Here is our research questions where we have dealt with a grave issue. Can vertical farming solve world hunger? Check out the results yourself. Here is the comparison between vertical factory farms and other conventional methods. We could easily see the former surpasses the latter. Here we can see our nominal cost, equipment cost, installation charges, and maintenance and service charges.
So, how much profit are we going to generate from this project? In the Indian rupees, we would be having a profit between somewhat 3,000 to 7,300 per month. And that sounds good, right? And considering the present circumstances.
Our motto is to grow good health. Our project is the future of gardening, faster growth, no dirt, no digging, 90% less water, 90% less space are some eye-catching points of our project. Using our project, one can easily grow more plant and veggies without any artificial chemicals or pesticides.
ProGreen's state-of-the-art aeroponic vertical gardening system uses both water and air to produce more colorful, better tasting and incredibly nutritious veggies and herbs. Our model has a 20-gallon reservoir at its base that stores the nutrient solution. Nutrient solution enables superior plant growth and better nutrition from your grow greens produce. The process begins once the seedlings have been placed inside our model. Here they will be nourished with the nutrient solution. Inside the reservoir is a small, low voltage submersible pump. The pump pushes nutrient solution up to the very top of our model. From there, the nutrient solution drips through the central tower using a special device that evenly cascades the solution over the exposed plant roots. On the journey down the tower, the nutrient solution feeds the roots and becomes highly oxygenated as it cascades down the reservoir. This process is continuous, providing fresh oxygen, water, and nutrients to the roots of plants. This patent aeroponic process enables food crops to grow faster than they would in soil. So, they can be harvested now more often, and it makes growing the healthier, easier, smarter way to grow your produce.